Namaskar and very good evening to all. I am Jyoti Shikha Singh this side from Saint Soldiers IHM Jalandhar as a lecturer over there, and I am very thankful to this institute who has given me this platform to showcase my skills and a very great initiative taken by Amul. So today's my recipe is pan roast trifle. So let me tell you about what is trifle. Trifle is an English dessert which has came from England and trifle जो बनती है हम लोगों की वो लेयर्स में बनती है. हम लोग की जो सबसे नीचे लेयर्स होती है उसमें हम लोग फ्रूट्स डालते हैं, फिर उसके बाद स्पॉन्ज डालते हैं. स्पॉन्ज जो होता है उसमें हम लोग शेरी जो वाइन होती है उससे उसको डिकॉक करते हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग उसमें कस्टर्ड डालते हैं. कस्टर्ड के बाद हम लोग फिर फ्रेश फ्रूट्स की एक लेयर लगाते हैं. उसके बाद फिर से स्पॉन्ज लगाते हैं. उसके बाद उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फिर से एक क्रीमिंग कर देते हैं. सो दिस इज ट्राइफल. ओके, बट हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बहुत ही अलग ही इन्वेंशन किया है. मैंने इटसेल्फ दैट इज मैं जो हूँ पान और रोज की क्रीमिंग करूँगी एंड देन उसके बाद हम लोग ये जो मिक्सचर पान हम लोग इसलिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं बिकॉज नाउ डेज पान हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन एंड रोज इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी टैक्टफुल इंग्रेडिएंट. ठीक है, तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग विद अ स्पॉन्ज दैट इज वी हैव टू टेक and this was the Amul product which I have got. This is curd, butter, milk, Milkmaid and a chocolate, compound chocolate. So thank you Amul for this. You have given us a great platform to showcase our skills. So I will be taking a curd that is 3/4 cup. So this is 1 cup and a gist of this is left, so it is 3/4 cup of curd. Now to this I will be taking oil that is 1/4 cup. And we will give a nice stir to it with the help of whisker. Now as you all can see, an emulsion is formed and aeration is there in this mixture. We will add vanilla essence to it. Few drops of vanilla essence to it. We will whisk it well so that an emulsion forms. Spatula चाहिए. 3/4 in number, 3/4 cup, and a oil that is 1/4 cup is added to it, and then again vanilla essence is added to it. We'll aerate it. We'll try to aerate this so that our sponge becomes spongy. As you can see, we are having this bubbles over here. Try to raise this up. Now we will be adding 1.25 cup of maida. In this I have added 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So we will add this as enough of aeration is done. Then we will mix it with cut and fold method. As you all know, this is an eggless cake, so we will be requiring little amount of milk in it. So this is almost 1 tablespoon of milk. See, the consistency is still not flowy, so we can add more milk to it. The recipe's name is pan roast trifle. See, now it's flowy. Now we'll add this mixture in a mold. So this is a mold, and we are taking oil. it with an oil. And dust it with some maida. ये शो करो. Now we'll pour this whole batter in a mold. Now we'll be tapping this, and we have preheated our oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and we will be putting this in the oven. It will require at least 20 to 25 minutes, so we will be seeing it afterwards. Now our next step would be both two creams, that is rose cream and pan cream. So let me check once a while that anybody requires. Sure, Neelam Badar, I will again will revise a recipe with you. Arpita Chaudhary, yes, you can see the video, it's there. So again, I'm very thankful to this institute, my institute, that is Saint Soldiers IHM Jalandhar, as well as I am very grateful to Amul for providing us such a platform. And next I will be showing you that how to make a cream. I have already whipped a cream over here, and a cream is whipped at 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. So I have whipped a cream over here, and now I will be dividing it into two parts, because we have to make this two portions of cream over here. So we will be dividing it into two parts. So first will be of our pan cream, and other one will be of our rose cream. So this is the second portion. This will be of rose cream. And again, as you all can see, I have made an extract from pan, a betel leaf, and I have also added a color over here. So this is extract of betel leaf as well as as well as green color over here. So we'll mix it by just yes, it can be made in cooker also. As what you have to do while making in cooker, you have to make a basin of salt, and then you have to put a stand over it and preheat it for 45 minutes, and you can keep the mold over it, and then again by checking it with toothpick you can have this. So it requires more color also, so I'll be adding a pinch. Okay, so this was for our pan cream. Next, what we'll be doing is now here I have taken a rose syrup with rose essence and a pinch of red color to it. Now I will be pouring this to give it a red flavor. Pink color, sorry. We'll add more to this. It is Wakefield's whipped cream. So now here we have made both of these creams. Now I will be preparing for this कस्टर्ड को हम लोगों ने जो हम लोगों के ट्राइफल्स में हमेशा से यूज होता है कस्टर्ड, उसको मैंने चेंज किया है विद मिल्क मेड. सो दिस इज अमूल्स मिल्क मेड. As you all can see, इसको मैं उसमें डालूंगी. A layer of this will be there in that trifle. मैंने इसमें वो नहीं ऐड करना चाहा, कस्टर्ड नहीं ऐड करना चाहा. So now we are taking a gist of this milk maid. We have taken this milk maid. Now we are adding some this dates in it. Some dry fruits. It is a mixture of cashew nut as well as almond, and a little bit of milk. Now we will be giving a good stir. A mixture of this is this custard, Milkmaid. This mixture is ready. Now, what we will be doing is we will make a piping bag. Now this piping bag is ready for green cream, and again I will have this pink. So a pink bag piping mixture is also ready. Okay, so as we have limited time, so cake requires more time, a sponge requires more time, so I have made in advance I have prepared a sponge, so I will show it to you. So here you can see I have made this sponge. Okay, so we'll have a crumbs of it. I will cut it into small piece. As you can see, it's very spongy. Okay, so we'll have a crumbs. We'll make a crumbs of this sponge. सो ये आइडिया मेरे दिमाग में इसलिए आया बिकॉज यूपी वाले पान के बहुत ज़्यादा ही शौकीन होते हैं. सो मेरे दिमाग में ये आइडिया आया एंड आई हैव गिवन इट एन अनदर ट्विस्ट इनटू एन डेजर्ट. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ क्रम्स. आप लोगों ने गाना तो सुना ही होगा, खाई के पान बनारस वाला, खुल जाए बंद अकल का ताला. सो आई हैव मेड अ क्रम्स ओवर हियर एंड in this, firstly I will be at the bottom I will be sprinkling some dry fruits. Now some dates. Now what I will be doing is I will be adding just a little mixture of this at the bottom. Now again I will be assembling these sponge. Try to just assemble it with your fingers. Okay. Next is my recipe was pan roast trifle. So pan layer of whipped cream would be coming first, and then after that on the top a rose mixture would be there. So now again we will be adding this Milkmaid mixture over this. now again we will add crumbs above this. So थोड़ा सा crumbs Now again we will be finishing this mixture just to make these sponge little more soggy. And then again, as we have used green cream over it, now we will be piping it with So now with this I have also made chocolate pans. And now I'll be using this silver balls. Some crushed nuts and few chocolate chips. So this is all which I have made for you, that is pan roast trifle with chocolate pan. So let me check if anybody wants to ask something. So if anybody wants to ask something, they can ping me. They can ping on this live page. Thank you, Sumit. Pooja Anshul Pandey, no, the cream already has sugar in it. Okay, so let me give you a gist about this recipe. So firstly I have prepared a sponge by having a maida, that is 1 1/4 cup of maida, then cream, curd, that is 3/4 of the cup, and then I have added 1/2 cup of sugar in it, and I have whisked it well, and then I have pour some oil in it to give it an emulsion so that an aeration forms, and then I have added this maida mixture with baking powder and baking soda. I have baked it at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Then I have whipped a cream, and the cream is whipped at 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. In green part, that is pan wala part, I have added betel leaf extract as well as green color, and in rose part I have added this ruafza, rose syrup, that is ruafza, as well as essence, rose essence to it. And next I have prepared a custard layering that was of Milkmaid. Then again I had dry dates, chopped dates and chopped cashew nuts. So मैंने इन सबको मिक्स किया, और उसके बाद इसकी एक तो बैटर हम लोगों ने प्रिपेयर किया. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने एक उसमें जैसे मैंने कि प्रेजेंट किया है एक जार में, एंड एज वेल एज इन अ बॉलिडास. सो इसमें मैंने सबसे नीचे जो है एक मिक्सचर लगाया है ड्राई फ्रूट्स का, डेट्स का, एंड एज वेल एज आई हैव एडेड मिल्कमेड मिक्सचर टू इट. देन नेक्स्ट स्पॉन्ज हम लोग ने लगाया है. स्पॉन्ज के ऊपर बाद हम लोगों ने ग्रीन क्रीम लगाई है, दैट वाज ऑफ बीटल. देन नेक्स्ट इज हम लोगों ने फिर से एक स्पॉन्ज डाला है, हम लोगों ने फिर से ये मिल्कमेड की लेयर डाली है, फिर से स्पॉन्ज डाला है. स्पॉन्ज डालने के बाद हम लोगों ने फिर से रोज की एक लेयर डाली है व्हिप क्रीम की. टॉप जो होती है वो रोज की होती है. इट कैन बी अप टू यू, आप पान रोज करना चाहते हो या रोज पान करना चाहते हो. ओके. फिर उसके बाद मैंने भी पहले ही प्रिपेयर कर लिया था चॉकलेट पान. चॉकलेट पान का मैंने मिक्सचर जो लिया था दैट वाज ऑफ गुलकंद. आई हैव ब्रॉट दिस गुलकंद, एंड इसमें मैंने थोड़ा सा ड्राई डेट्स ऐड किया था, चॉप्ड हम लोगों ने कैशू नट्स एज वेल एज आलमंड ऐड किए थे, थोड़ा सा सौंफ ऐड किया था, एंड उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा सा मिंथॉल जो है वो क्रश करके इसमें डाला था. उसके बाद आई हैव कट द लीव्स and I have folded it into this shape, and I have dipped it into a chocolate, and I have freezed it, and here it is, and I have garnished it with an desiccated coconut. So this is it. Thank you very much. Thank you Amul for such an interesting and giving us such a platform to chefs like us who doesn't get who want to show their talent as well as acquired skills. So thank you very much. Thank you Saint Soldiers. Thank you.